Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Apple iOS 12, the best new features to try out. After days of anticipation, the final version of Apple's iOS 12 is here. Apple announced iOS 12 in June at the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC. It's now ready for download. iOS 12 focuses on reliability and performance. Apple says the latest update launches apps up to 40% faster. For example, iOS 12 is compatible with all the same devices as iOS 11, going back to the iPhone 5s, which was launched way back in 2013. It will also ship on the new iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR. From Siri shortcuts to improved Photos app, here are the best features of iOS 12. Apple iOS 12, Grouped Notifications. Managing notifications on the iPhone and iPad can be frustrating. That issue has been fixed in iOS 12. Instead of seeing a long list of notifications, iOS 12 now groups them for you not just by the app but also by topic and thread. You can always tune your notifications and see whether you want a particular app to send you ones in the future. Siri even suggests which notifications you should turn off, depending on the apps you don't use often. Apple iOS 12, Improved Performance. All iOS devices will see improved performance thanks to iOS 12. In fact, Apple claims old generation iOS 12 devices will see speed boosts of up to 70%. If you are using the iPhone 5s or iPhone 6, expect iOS 12 to deliver better performance overall. Apple iOS 12, Do Not Disturb at Bedtime. With iOS 12, Apple has improved Do Not Disturb, allowing users more control over notifications while they work or sleep. You can enable Do Not Disturb mode to silence notifications for a specific period of time, so you won't get any important notifications. One of the new additions made to Do Not Disturb this year is Bedtime mode. As the name suggests, all your calls and notifications will be muted until you toggle Do Not Disturb off. Apple iOS 12, Siri shortcuts. Perhaps the biggest feature of iOS 12 is to create Siri shortcuts. By downloading the new Shortcuts app from the App Store, it allows all types of apps add shortcuts to Siri. For example, if you use the Tile app, you can add a shortcut to Siri, such as I lost my keys. So when you lose your keys, you can let Siri know and it will automatically start ringing your Tile. The new feature is based on Workflow app, which Apple acquired last year. Apple iOS 12, Screen Time. iOS 12 Screen Time feature keeps track on how much you use your phone, and also helps set limits for app usage. You can easily see how much time you spent on your iPhone or iPad, what apps are sending you the most notifications, or how often you're picking up your phone. You can also add it as a widget on your home screen to easily access it. Apple iOS 12, Group FaceTime. Group FaceTime essentially allows you to chat with up to 32 people simultaneously. Now that it is integrated into iMessage, you can easily set up a group FaceTime call through the iMessage group chat window. In addition, you also have the option to add fun effects like stickers and memoji while on the FaceTime call. Apple says Group FaceTime will be coming to all iOS 12 devices later this year. Apple iOS 12, Measure app. One of the cool features in iOS 12 is an augmented reality-based app called Measure. The app has been designed to make it easier for you to measure objects around you. All you need to do is tap the object and drag out a line. It will display measurements by using the phone's camera. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.